My name's Helen Haslam and I'm one of the directors here at Tekhniseal. This is Tom Chanley, he's the other director.
We manufacture mechanical seals and other relating components for all kinds of engineering backgrounds, from pharmaceuticals to chocolate to water pumps, whatever.
I got in touch with Elaine, who told me about virtual college and what it was that they did. They had these young school leavers on their books that they had interviewed, and with each new candidate there was a radar chart which explained their strengths and weaknesses, and they also had to answer the same questions, and obviously each candidate would answer the question differently, and that gave you an insight into that person. We then selected from the list who would like to meet and interview. Obviously we couldn't decide just from that, so we decided to ask them to come back and do one day where they worked at Tekhniseal. They worked with the other members of staff, and that helped us to understand, who would work better with that new candidate.
Basically, we had the other two lads downstairs in the workshop. They took him under their wings, so to speak, in which case he's then working within the team as opposed to just being on his own as an apprentice, if you like. So he's learning off those two guys down there, as well as doing his virtual apprentice online. He's being allowed to use a computer within the company.
We leave it up to him to which machine he wants to use, whichever is free at the time, because there are always a couple at any one time free.
We've been given access to the part of the internet that he does his studies on, in which we can then track his progress and development.
The advantages of the apprentice learning within Tekhniseal: if he's doing a job, he doesn't have to break off from the job.
Yeah, he can see it through from start to finish, and then obviously he can then report what he's done on that job using his online tuition as well. And you can see exactly
the emails that he's sent to his assessors, to his the support staff that he has within virtual college. You get to see what communications he's had.
From his tutors there as well.
Yeah.
If you're interested in being an apprentice, or you are a company looking to improve selection and productivity, call YP Training on 01943 885088 or email info@yptraining.co.uk.